Hi, seventh graders, Miss Bailey here. I'm going to help you do a math assignment, the real life math assignment that's due today. So I'm just going to start off with the Google homepage and I'm going to sign in with my student ID number at rcsd121.org and then type in your password. Same password you use at school, you use at home. All right, now that I've signed in, I'm going to go up to the squares. I'm going to go to classroom. Here, let's get my video out of the way. So then I'm going to go to classroom. And then when I'm in here, I'm going to look for my math class. So I am in 7-2, so my math is 8th period right here in front of me. Okay, yeah, so we have 3 things due today, and it shows up over here: Corona Research, Real Life Math Operations, and Khan Academy. Now, I already did one for the Corona Research, and if you go to that assignment, you can click on there and you can watch my video giving some directions and some help if you need it. But that's not the one we're going to do today. We're going to do the real life operation. So I can click on it here, or I can go to classwork and scroll down, real life operations. I'm going to open this up. It's due today, so I'm going to get going on it. So this assignment is more stimulating, not boring, as an opportunity to showcase your knowledge of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. If you cannot complete it on the device, write the questions down on a blank sheet of paper and send a picture of it. If you are struggling with the work and need help, email, call, or text me. Do not message or call me unless it is about math. Real life math. Here we go. Put in your name and the date. Miss Bailey. And I'm doing it today, last minute. Okay, so now here we go. Sorry about that. Here we go. So, welcome to quarantine budgeting. You must use the following reference table to help you answer the following questions. You may also use a calculator for help. Okay, so I am definitely going to use my calculator to help me out. Okay, so then it tells me 1 watt of energy is going to cost me $1.50. 1 water costs me $1.75. 1 roll of toilet paper cost me 75 cents. 1 book cost me $4. 1 piece of chicken or steak cost me $5. An hour of video games cost me $200. An hour of TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, or Snapchat cost me $10. A bag of Flamin' Hot Cheetos cost me $2.25. If I use 50 watts of energy, how much will that cost? Okay, so 1 watt of energy, I'm just gonna copy that because I know I need that information. So I need 1 watt. If 1 watt of energy is gonna cost me $1.50, how much would 50 cost me? Okay, so multiplication is going to help me with this because I have 1 here and it costs this much. I need to know how much 50 would cost. So I'm going to do 50 times the $1.50. I'm going to figure out how much that equals. And I can go over here. I don't know if you can see this right now. We'll find out. I'll pull up my calculator and now I'm going to do that. 50 times $1.50, and I get 75. There, I just gave you the answer to the first one, and I would write that. And can I just write 75? No, I need my labels, right? So $75. I'm not even going to write it in there because I just gave you an answer. Okay, so then I would scroll down to the next one. If my parents brought 25 cases of water, how much will it cost? Okay, what does 1 case of water cost? 1 case of water is $1.75. Again, I'm not gonna delete it. I'm just gonna copy it. So I'm doing Control-C, or if I right-click on it, I can go up here to copy. Copying the water is $1. 1 water is $1.75. And again, I'm gonna paste it right here. Or I can do, again, I could have done it this way. We'll undo that for a second so I can do it the other way. Pasting that right there. Okay, and now again, I have 25 cases of water. So I know 1 is $1.75. So what if I need 25 cases of water times the $1.75? How much will that equal? Again, I pull up my calculator and do that math. Mike walked into Walmart and they have 5 rolls of toilet paper left. How much will that cost? Okay, so he's buying 5 and it's rolls of toilet paper. Let's go see how much a roll of toilet paper is. Again, I'm going to highlight it and copy it so that information's right in front of me in the problem, because that's I'm using that reference table like Mr. Jackson said, but then I'm bringing it down to the problem so I can see it right in front of me. Okay, 5. Then I would have to do 5 times the 75 cents. Okay, next one. All of your teachers gave you guys homework that required you to use a book. If you have 7 subjects, what would the total value of all the books? Okay, how much is one book? One book is $4. I'm going to take that information, I'm going to copy it, I'm going to bring it down because it's what I need for this problem. And then what are you doing with it? Very similar to the other problems we did. Okay, so now this problem gets a little harder. A family of 6 bought 15 pieces of chicken, 15 steaks, and 5 cases of water. What is the total value of all items? Okay, so there's 6 people in the family. I don't know if I really need that number 6 to do anything with it, but I'm going to keep thinking about it. 15 pieces of chicken. Okay, so I need to go up here to chicken. How much does the chicken cost? So I've got my chicken or steak cost me this much. I'm going to copy that again. And I'm going to bring it down to the problem. I'm going to paste it. So one piece of chicken or steak costs this much. Okay, so I've got 15 chickens times the $5 equals what? And then I've got 15 steaks times, and then I know steak is also $5. $5 equals, and then I got 5 cases of water. Okay, I'm gonna go back up, look at my reference thing. Water is $1.75. I'm gonna copy that because I need that information for my problem. Scroll, bring it down with me, and I'm gonna enter it here. I'm gonna put a space between those. So this is the ones I'm doing math. I'm using those to do my math, but this is the information I needed from the chart up top. Okay, so I've got my chickens. Okay, what about what math do I need to do for the water? So how many waters do I have? 5 cases of water. Okay, so 5 waters times how much is a water? $1.75. 1.75 equals. And now again, Mr. Jackson said you could do this on paper. So if you don't want to do it on the computer, it's a little weird to do on the computer. I totally understand if you want to do it on paper and take a picture and send it to him. Totally okay. Okay, so now I'm going to do all this math, and then am I done? So what's 15 times 5? Let me pull up my calculator again. 15 times 5 is 75. And then that's the same thing I would be doing for this one. And then I got to do 5 times $1.75 again. Pull up my calculator. Clear out the 75. I've got $1.75. Oh, I did 72, not right. $1.75 times how many waters? 5 waters. I did that backwards. So it's going to be $8.75. Oh, and I forgot my units, which are the monies. This isn't 75 steaks, it's $75 worth of steaks. Okay, so now I have all those, and I'm not done. I need to add those together. My final step, I need to add, see what's the total value of all those, total value. So I need to add those all together. So I've got $75 plus $75 plus $8.75. And then tell me what the final price is. I'm not going to tell you that far, but I helped you get through this. So you need to do each thing. And then again, like I thought in the beginning, I was like, does it matter that it's a family of 6? No, you don't even need that number 6. I'd almost like put a line through it or something because you didn't even need that number 6. It wasn't important. Okay, so I'm just going to read through the rest of the problems, but you need to keep going through those steps I was showing you. I need to show your work if you're doing it on the computer, show it the way that I am, or you can show it on paper. Okay, so the next question. On Monday, Steve's wife made a deal that for every hour of video games he played, he had to pay her $200. Steve played a total of 8 hours of video games. How much will that cost him? So 8 hours, $200 an hour. How much is it going to cost him? Okay, next one. After Sarah watched all my friends on social media and decided to make 3 TikTok videos and go live 10 times on Instagram, how much will that cost Sarah? So So she made 3 TikTok videos and went live 10 times. Okay, so again, I would want to scroll up to the top, to the reference table up here, and then 1 hour is $10. So I would take this information and I would copy it and I would bring it down to the problem. So she made 3 TikTok videos and she went live 10 times. How much is that going to cost her? 3 times 10, 10 times 10, add it together. Okay. Jason used 120 watts of energy and played 12 hours of video games. How much will that cost him? So again, you have to go back up to the reference table, find the information. How much does a watt of energy cost? How much does an hour of video games cost? I would copy and paste that information down to that problem so you can look at it while you're trying to figure it out. Donna walked into Family Dollar. They have 4 packs of toilet paper left. 1 pack is 8 rolls. She bought all 4 packs and 5 packs of Flamin' Hot Cheetos. How much did that cost? Okay, this one's hard. Okay, so I'm going to go back up and get my information. Oops, sorry, my little video. Okay, so toilet paper. I need this information, 1 toilet paper, copy. And then, what else did I? Flamin' Hot Cheetos, that's the other thing they buy. So I'm going to bring that down, copy, paste. Okay, so now the hardest part, I'm going to enter this down so it's all on 1 page. I don't like looking at 2 pages. So it talks about how they have 4 packs of toilet paper left. 1 pack is 8 rolls. Okay, so 1 roll costs us 75 cents. So how many? Okay, first let's figure out how many rolls of toilet paper there are in all the packs. I think that'll be the easiest way. So if 1 pack has 8 rolls. 1 pack has 8 rolls. Then we need to know if there's 4 packs left. 4 packs has how many rolls? How can I do that math? Again, to go from 1 to 4, I'm multiplying by 4. So I'm going to have to do, if I had 2 fractions here, I could have 1 over 4 equals 8 over x, or question mark, right? And then I would solve it by, to go from 1 to 4, I'm multiplying by 4, so to go 8 to whatever number's here, you're going to do the same thing, you're going to multiply by 4. So 8 times, so 8 rolls times 4 packs equals, how many rolls of toilet paper do I have? 8 times 4. Hopefully you've said it, 32. I have 32 rolls in 4 packs. I can't spell. Okay, so now 1 roll is $1.75. So now I have to do, or not $1, just 75 cents. 75 cents times 32 rolls equals how much money. And then I've bought, after she buys those 4 packs, she has 5 packs of Flamin' Hot Cheetos. So now I'm gonna do the 5 packs of how much are Flamin' Hot Cheetos? Oh, 1 bag of Flamin' Hot Cheetos is $2.25. So I'm gonna do 2.25 times the 5 packs of Flamin' Hot Cheetos. I do that math, and then I'm not even done. And then I need to add these 2 numbers together. I need to add how much toilet paper costs, add to how much the Flamin' Hot Cheetos cost, to figure out what I'm paying all together. Again, I'm running out of time on this video, so I'm going to let you go, but I read through all the questions. If you have any trouble, please let me or Mr. Jackson know. I miss you all, and stay safe.